Hi, this is Danny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You betcha you can fix it and make it. In this channel, I'm just going to show you how I do some certain things. I'll build stuff, I'll fix things, and it's just my way of doing it. It's not really an instruction video. It just shows you how I do it. I've done things such as I bought a trailer kit and I put that kit together, mechanical wise. It was all kit. I put that together and then I put a wooden deck and wooden rails on it. It's a very popular video. It's got like 900 views, something like that. So to me, that's very popular. But I've also done things like fix my granddaughter's pipe noise in her basement at her house. I built a wooden platform to cover up some bad steps up in her RV in Wisconsin. A few other things in there. But mainly this channel is just going to show you how things can be done. You don't have to go hire some expensive deals. I got some more ideas coming up. I wish I had to clear that yellow off your headlights here whenever I get around to doing that. I've been so busy. But take a look at what the videos I got out there, and if you like them, please give me a like down there. Subscribe to my channel if you like, because there'll be more stuff coming. And just take a look, see what you think. Thanks. See you down the road.